Faizan, who has eczema, and he has a cut. And if you bend the cut, the wound is a little bit deep. So when he puts the cream on it, once he wants to wash the cream off for wudu, externally it's done. But to go inside and deep in washing it, akhi, who said that you need to go deep? You have to just wash the surface. If there's a cut and it's deep, you don't have to wash inside it. I'll give you another example. Women have earrings. So if they take their earrings, there's a small hole. So are they allowed or supposed to open it and get water in it? No. Who said this? There's no need at all for such extremism. Just wash the external part, and this does the job for you, inshallah. Latif.